Hey guys, wanna know how to mute or unmute your tracks in Audacity? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. So let's go right into it. Now first up, launch Audacity and here import any tracks that you'd like. Now double click to select the entire track. Then on the menu right here, go to tracks and then navigate towards mute or unmute. So it's simple as that. You can just simply click mute all tracks or mute tracks to mute your track. So you can also use shortcuts that is shown here, such as Ctrl+C or Ctrl+Alt+U. So I'll just click mute all tracks. You can see the mute has been engaged as its color has been changed to blue. But instead of going to tracks and then just muting all the way again and again, you can just simply flip right here. That will mute and unmute your track easily. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you in the next one.